Greetings friends, this is Vincent from Golden Key Realty again, bringing you a project here in the Bangalore, northern part of Bangalore. To be honest, this is KIADB Aerospace Park, and you can see the kind of roaring and massive developments that's going around the place. You've got Kalyani, you've got Brigade, you've got Prestige, you've got Godrej Ananda, you've got assets, and now you also have Puravankara. In fact, they've got a couple of those projects here. We're standing outside the site office of Puravankara Northern Lights. I will be going inside to showcase you the site office and the apartments that are there to offer. Today, in spite of not being a weekend, we still have customers lined up. People are coming in for their inquiries, trying to see what best units they can probably shortlist for their future purchase. This is totally a 25-acre project. 2,900 apartments, 2031 is the RERA date, 80 plus amenities. You name the amenities and they have it, right? So it is up for grabs here in the KIADB zone of Puravankara Northern Lights. That's the main road outside that you can see. In fact, in some phases of Prestige and Brigade, people have already moved in. So a good rental yield and a good end use segment is what we have here. Okay, so we will be going inside the site office to showcase you the entire project in totality. Obviously, the name synonymous with development with so many projects here in Bangalore needs no introduction. They've been in the trade for about 30 odd years, developed a lot of tech parks, residential projects in and across the city, or also outside the city. So I'm afraid I won't be too loud inside the marketing office, right? Don't want to disturb the customers and the sales staff there. A very well informed and educated sales staff sits inside that particular office. So we'll go inside in a moment and we'll take it forward from there. See you. So we are inside the site office of Puravankara Northern Lights. As you can see, this is part of the KIADB development area. We've got Brigade, you've got Prestige, you've got Kalyani, you've got Godrej, and you also have Puravankara and assets here. So this is going to be a huge mammoth community of KIADB Park. So this project, as I mentioned, is about 25 acres, 2,900 apartments. 2021 is the handover. We are sitting inside the site office. I will showcase you the available units. We've got a 2-bedroom and a 3.5 BHK for you to have a look. But first we just see exactly as to how the entire site office looks like for you to have a better understanding. Puravankara, as the name suggests, has been doing in the real estate landscape for quite some time now, and they've delivered countless projects in and around the city of Bangalore and outside Bangalore as well. So just to give you a brief, this is how the materials and everything is being used for. Everything is up for display, everything is up for transparent decision making. So what they're going to do with the project, what kind of materials, what kind of systems they're going to use is all displayed out here. Nothing is ambiguous. We have a 3.5 BHK which will enter, and that's about 2,000 square feet right now. This is the maid room with the attached washroom. Now the advantage here is that the maid doesn't have the access directly inside the apartment. They're outside the apartment, so you don't need to have a direct access inside the house. So enter the 3-bedroom walk-up. This is 2,000 square feet of space. This is how the entire landscape greets you. You move in towards the left. This becomes your master bedroom with the attached deck. So the plans are very good. I mean, they are pretty friendly, user friendly, good usage of space. That's your deck. This becomes your kitchen area. You go in and you have a look at this bedroom, washroom, and this becomes your 3rd bedroom along with the deck space. So the floor plans are very, very generous, very, very transparent, user friendly. So this is how the expanse for a 3.5 BHK looks like. You've got the servant room that side. A unique concept where the servant doesn't have the access to the house directly. This is how the floor plan looks like. We'll try and check out the 2 BHK as well. So what they've done here is they're giving you an example and feel of how your lobby and your floor is going to look like. The lift columns and everything, they're going to be as transparent and as clear as possible. This is the 2-bedroom mock-up that we have. So this is the mock-up. This is the living and the dining. This is approximately 1075 square feet of space, a 2-balcony concept 2-bedroom. Now that is unheard of because most of the 2 bedrooms just have 1 balconies, but we are giving you 2. You walk into the bedroom here, you can see the expanse that is being provided. It's a fantastic project in this part of town. If you're looking at KIADB Aerospace area, we walk into the kitchen. So obviously it's a modular kitchen, gives you a complete idea of what your furnished apartment is going to look like once you've done it as per your requirements. Move into this bedroom as well, and this becomes your common washroom. So it's a nice compact 2-bedroom up for grabs at Puravankara Northern Lights. I'm just trying to cover the model units. In the earlier part of the video you must have seen what the outside periphery looks like. I'll go down and show you the scale as well. So we've got these 2 model units that are there for display. It's a busy day, it's a Friday, and we've got customers already lined up. Can't be too loud because you're in the site office. This is how the entire expanse looks like, for you to have a better understanding of the entire project in totality. A huge land parcel with a lot of amenities, a lot of development around this area, proximity to the airport and main centers and IT parks, a hub of development for North Bangalore. So this is how it looks like. Trying to cover the scale model as well. This area is surrounded by all the top developers, Brigade, Prestige, Assets, Godrej, so on and so forth. This is Vincent from Golden Key Realty. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.